I lost that piece of the jewelry part when I was sleeping, and I was like, hey, if this is it for the next 6 months, watch it, guy. See, master. Anyway, welcome back, friends. As you all know, hair school is in session. Let's dive in today. I washed my hair, I put leave-in, and then I slept with it because some days you just don't feel like doing your hair. Personally, some days I am terrified by the thought of doing my hair. And I think being on social media and giving myself all these expectations, as well as the fact that with great power comes great responsibility, and to whom much is given, much is expected. Thank you, Jesus. Honestly, I already have given myself too much of a buzz, so I have to like sometimes bring myself down here and be like, you know what, today I do not feel like filming. But I think, yeah, I'm going to bring myself as I am. I will show you 3 hairstyles. Yeah, that's right, Moja Millie tattoo. Tattoo. We'll be showing like just simple hairstyles like the one I did on Instagram 2 weeks ago, but now I will add a few extra ones. All right, stick around. If you have any questions, please drop them below and subscribe. You're free. Okay. Let me tell you something.
Hair in twists is elite. It is simple, like I did last night. I put leave-in and then I just put them into 4 twists, which makes it easier to detangle the next day. It's already detangled, so it keeps it in that detangled state, and it also retains moisture. My hairline is irregular, as you can see, and so I struggle with parting it. And honestly, I just leave it to hairstylists sometimes. I'm like, it's whatever. Like, people won't come with a magnifying glass at my part saying, girl, you ain't done it real. Anyway, here I just do it into 2 sections so that it's easier to style each section. When I sleek back my hair, I find it very helpful to do small sections at once, because you'll see that I don't use a lot of gel or a lot of product, so that my hair can breathe during the week. I take either a week or sometimes half a week or sometimes 2 weeks between wash days. It all depends on how I feel. And so I felt that the front section had just a little bit of hair and it was going to look imbalanced. So I decided to take some hair from the back. You can see I am tired. My biceps are actually tired. I prayed to my ancestors real quick. Please just help it be balanced and help me gauge how much I need from the back. Even though I will not get my parts straight, let me get one thing right today. God night. After that, we're going to slick back that portion once more. In natural hair, you realize that if you fail once, you have to dust yourself off, get up, and try again, because it is a learning curve. It is not perfect. It comes with imperfections, with trial and error. And I just want to tell you, you can do this, okay? You got this, Lach, even though your eyes look like you're tired. Once you're satisfied with the brushing after an eternity of trying to slick your hair back, then you can secure the top part with a hair tie, hairband, whichever is suitable for you. Just make sure that it is not too tight, but here I actually do tighten it a little bit. My scalp will not forgive me after this. But do this at your own discretion so that you do not hurt your scalp or the front edges. Anyway, I got some pins so that I could push that top part down, so that I can feel my scalp. And I think I am happy with the results at this point. I just put 2 bobby pins and then the pick is out. to play. Pick that hair, pick that hair, pick that hair like you don't care. Now, checky dame, she looks cute. Alright, girl. Yeah, I know you're looking cute. This first look is simple. She shows the volume, but she keeps the hair out of your face. Moving along to look number 2. This number provides an easy transition if you want to switch it up the next day and keep all your hair out of your face. Take the top part and tie it to the bottom half. Gather your black hair tie fighters. Choose your fighter. Did you know in my high school hair ties or hair bands were banned? And we instead used shoelaces for uniformity. But now you realize the world is anything but uniform. We are so diverse, and that is what makes it spicy. I think I like it that way. To add some length, comb out that last section, and then you can add that last hair tie. Make it kidogo messy, and then you can adjust it to your liking. Do you like edges? You could do your edges, slick that back, or add some accessory, because why not? It's giving regal at this point. It's giving Game of Thrones, Shonda Rhimes, Bridgerton, Queen Charlotte kind of stuff. Yeah. Look number 3 starts with us parting our hair all the way to the back, securing one of the sides in a ponytail. I pick out the other section so it makes it easier to go through as you twist it out. It's kind of a flat twist technique, but you're putting the hair behind each other instead of actually doing 2 strands. So it's a bit easier and quicker. And once I get to the end, I secure it again with our warriors, our fighters, the black hair ties. I do the same exact thing on the other side, pick it out so that it's a bit more detangled and easier to go through, and then flat twist without doing 2 strands. So here I do a slowed version of this. I'm turning the hair towards the inside and bringing the hair from the back, adding it to that twisted portion. When I get to the end, I tie it once again. Friends, it was in that moment that she realized that the other side was not doing what it was supposed to do.
Again.
Alright, if you are following a pattern here, it's that we have a foundation and we're just adding styles on top of that. We don't want to make the wig any harder than it should be. So I twist the ends of the pigtails into 2 strand twists, And I am very confused. Why do they call these pigtails? Because pigtails are actually curly. Nani, do these not look more like unicorn horns than pigtails? The final variation of this style is one where we really tuck our ends in. We will take the twist from the other side, the left side, and put it on the right side, secure that inside the hair tie, and do the same for the twist on the right side. Move it along to the left side. Y'all, I have to do the L shape with my thumb and my finger so that I know which side is left or right. If anybody else is especially challenged, please raise your hands in the comments. Thank you very much.
All right, that was a nice run. That was a nice bicep pump, you know what I mean? But I really enjoyed this, and I also hated it at the same time. Could you tell from my face? Because there were times when there were bloopers and I won't shy from showing them, and there were times when some hairstyles were hurting the nape of my neck, and so I would kind of push that out to kind of just know your head, know your scalp. I have a sensitive scalp, and so removing some of the hairstyles from up here, I had to be really gentle and do that off the camera. One day I might show you guys. Let's get to know each other more. But yeah, please let me know if you have any questions. Honestly, again, I'm a music educator. I love doing this, and I am excited to keep learning more and to keep showing you guys the real process. And yeah, tutakutana hapa next time. Mimi wenu, Lachys Curls.